Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, it's a class of English for the students of class 6. Dear students, yesterday you were given the task to complete extended practice given at page 55 of Iqra Applied Grammar 1. Now this is the time to give you feedback. Dear students, this is extended practice given at page 55. The first sentence was already done for your convenience, that is, I will become a good Muslim. And second sentence that I have made for you, I will learn Arabic. Number 3, I will pay more attention to my studies. Sentence number 4, I will completely follow the school discipline. Number 5, I will pass matric with good grades. Sentence number 6, I will give more respect to my teachers. I will not disappoint my parents. Sentence number 8, I will not yell at anyone. Sentence number 9, I'll not waste my time. And the last sentence, I'll get admission in a medical college. Yes, students, now this is learn to speak task. But before going to this task, we will discuss this word bank given at page 55. The first phrase is play football, watch cartoon, visit a mall, do boating, buy snacks, get up early, eat sandwiches, go swimming, wear light clothes, roam in daytime, drink coffee, eat sweets, wear new clothes, meet relatives, greet friends, eat biryani. Students, now we go to learn to speak segment. Dear students, this is ask your partner about his plans. There have you been given 4 tasks. The first task is tell 2 things that you will do tomorrow. The students, you will conduct this activity with a partner, that may be your father, mother, sister or brother.
Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Tell 2 things that you will do tomorrow. I will wake up early in the morning tomorrow. I will meet my grandparents tomorrow. Tell 2 things that you will not do on coming Sunday. I will not eat biryani on coming Sunday. I will not eat sweets on coming Sunday. Tell 2 things that you will not do in summer vacation. I will not drink coffee in summer vacation. I will not roam in a day in summer vacation. Tell 2 things that you will do on Eid. I will wear new clothes on Eid. I will meet my relatives on Eid.
The students, this is ask and reply segment. Question is, will he learn English? Possible answers may be yes he will or no he will not. Will she learn English? Answers yes she will or no she will not. Will you learn English? Yes I'll. No I will not. Will we learn English? Yes we will or no we will not. Next, will they learn English? Yes they will or no they will not. Will I learn English? Yes you will or no you will not. So, yes, students, the first question, will you come tomorrow? The possible answer may be yes, I will, or no, I will not. Second question, will you finish your homework in time? Answer, yes, I will, or no, I'll not. Third question, will your friends play with you in break? No, they will not, or yes, they will. Question number 4, will you visit Murray in summer vacation? Possible answer, yes, I'll, or no, I'll not. Question number 5, will you buy a gift for your sister? Possible answer, yes, I'll, or no, I'll not. The students, now this is the time to give you homework, and the homework is learn to write given at page 56. This is write 12 sentences about your new year resolution using will and will not. Okay students, now take care of yourselves. May Allah bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.